Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Palos Hills, local and long-distance movers near me. If you're wanting to take the anxiety and stress out of your move, our experienced movers help make your long-distance move much more convenient. Selecting our crew to assist you means your cross-country relocation is going to go smoothly. The best moving services make all the difference, and our staff provides just what you require for your upcoming relocation. We can handle all the necessary moving choices, including the following: packing, unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. It might not be easy to reconcile the price of getting an Illinois moving company. When you examine the major benefits you gain, though, the price can be easier to manage. Any respectable moving company is going to help you save time on your local move. It will also prevent you from needing to deal with heavy lifting. Our experienced movers provide efficiency with every single move. Moving day gets so much easier with 3 Movers because we provide your whole entire move. Moving locally can be very quick, and our crew can deal with even a huge move in just one afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Palos Hills moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.